Kavea Tamapali of West Windsor, Tia Sada of West Windsor, and Olivia Watoj of St. John Vianney. And they are off. A group of about 14 going around here. First heat of the girls 800 freshman race going on. We've gone through all the varsity girls 800s, sophomore, and now we're down to the freshmen. Did you see the Meredith Haberfield of St. John the Baptist is chasing the leader, who will try and get an ID on. Couldn't quite make out her number there. Looks like number 1, Maureen Lewin of Maureen Lewin of Kellenberg. 113, probably I would guess sister of Deirdre Lewin, is leading by about 10-15 meters there. Also in the hunt, Camilla Drobic and Meredith Haberfield are also in the hunt, right behind her. Maureen Lewin of Kellenberg on the lead. Trying to hold them off. She's getting a challenge, though. Camilla Drobic and Meredith Haberfield are chasing after Maureen Lewin here. Can Maureen Lewin hold them off? And there's a challenge going on. Lewin trying to fight her off. Maureen Lewin seems to be passing the test here, holding him off. Cameron Johnson. Is that number 2? Cassidy McCormick of Charter, I think, was also in there. Cassidy McCormick was second, but Maureen Lewin was the